Hey guys, vlogmas day 2. I'm on my way to my house, carrying so much in my handbag. I have a lot of things to do, so it's only good if I go home. Right, that is to my house. So let's go, guys, and see. Yo, I've just stopped on the roadside to check if I've carried my keys. Look at all these things that are inside this bag. Let's see. Let me just check this zipper here. And this is where I put my keys most of the time. Oops, I can't find them. They are here, so thank goodness. Let's go, guys. Let me just get everything back. Imagine it's been a whole month and I've never removed those keys from that zipper. Like, thank God for being so organized. Oh, I left my house for 1 full month, you guys. Just look at my window. I left it open, just a little bit open. Oh, let me just close this curtain first before anything else. Yo. Hey, I thank God there is always security where I live because I cannot imagine. But everything looks okay so far. Imagine I left this 10 bob on the floor. Wow, 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 wow. I don't know why my shoe rack is empty. Oh, the shoes are... Oh, I remember. I left these shoes a bit wet. Like, I had just cleaned them. OMG, you guys. Oh, my goodness. So, I had not even spread my bed. Yani, hey, I left my house in a hurry. And this is what I find. Imagine this sufuria has been like that for a whole month. And I believe this is a sign of cockroaches. You see these white particles here? Oh, I think I've just seen a cockroach. Probably I should get used because I know I'm gonna see a cockroach in this house because what are these? Hey, I left my dustbin unemptied. But I thank God it's only this yogurt that could be a danger or, you know, could bring those insects or animals. But generally, I've not seen anything strange. But let's look at the bathroom. Oh, the toilet is not that clean. The bathroom is not that clean. But nothing much to worry about. So, I'm just going to change this bed sheet. And by the way, I need a new set of mattress cover. I know you guys have seen this for so long. You're tired of seeing this. I'm also tired of this bedding. I just need something new. Yeah, so I think there's nothing to worry about. My house is still intact. I'm so glad that everything is intact, but it feels like literally a year out of this house. So I just want to, first of all, before anything else, check the tokens. I cannot remember the tokens I had left. So, kabla stima zituzimie, hey, and the way I usually use electricity for my ring light, for my laptop, for my chargers. Let's first check how safe we are before you can continue. I don't know. Shaanza kulialia. Let's see what we have. That's 7.75. Yeah. At least we can still do something. We can do it. Yo, you guys, let me just tell you something I don't miss. Is that loud neighbor. I don't know if you guys can hear her. She puts loud music all the time, then she sings loudly. I'm already tired and sick. I feel like going back to where I'm coming from. But anyway, I had missed this house. So let's cook supper. But first, let me show you guys what I've brought from home. I've just bought this on my way here. I don't know why I don't like cabbage cooked from my own house, but I love it when it's cooked at home. Let's just give it a trial. Then I've also bought this on my way here. These 3 tomatoes because I'm not a fan of tomatoes. You guys know that acidity huwa kunisumbua. Then we have this small shopping bag. This one is from home, like literally nyumbani. Here we have this. Let me show you guys what's inside. Chapati. We were cooking chapati at home right now na nikasema nazingojea. Ndio maana mmeona kuchelewa. And then as always, I never miss out on carrying milk. Yep. Finally, we have, these are my items, my umbrella, my charger, but then we have this. Imeanguka moja. When did the price of Royco cubes go that high? I've just decided to buy Royco cubes today for the first time, I think, since maybe 2 years. Because I want to try cabbage with Royco cube. I've really not been liking cabbages. So nataka kujaribu na Royco cubes so that at least I can feel some taste and then I see maybe I like cabbage this time. Cook with me, guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be,
End up kwa hivi. For those who are wondering, I've not put a lot of water, just a little moisturizer ndio chapati kulike, but still naona kama ningeongeza hiyo maji. I think I'm fearing you guys. I don't want to be judged. Okay, I think this is so much cabbage. Will I finish this? Anyway, let me taste. I've not even tasted it. It's super hot. It's good. It's good. Then we have chapatis. I want to show you guys. Look. This is how my mom cooks her chapatis. Yani ziko layered. Very layered. Na imagine hii sasa ni baridi. They're just perfect. Unaweza toanisha ukule by the way layer by layer. Hivyo. So layered. Anyway, let me just enjoy my meal, you guys. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video up to this. I'm really excited for this. Keep on praying for me, guys. I can see you guys are praying. Yeah, I can see you. Please make sure you like this video. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Meanwhile, I just can't think. I can't concentrate anymore. I need to eat this food in Yondoke so that I can think. Okay? Anyway, guys, I'll see you in my next video.